Hey guys, it's me, Hannah from the TGI family, and there's some sad news. Nobody from the TGI family is in this video. But there is some good news. We're making our first cooking video, pita bread pizza. And the items you'll need are pita bread, of course, pepperoni, optional, olive oil, mozzarella cheese. Let's get started. Also pizza sauce. Also some pizza sauce, but first spread some olive oil on top. I accidentally put a lot, but you could brush this on, but we decided to go the unsanitary way. But anyway, still wash your hands.
Or your pizza sauce, because I got pizza sauce. You can put as much as you like. This is a lot, especially for such a small piece of pita bread. To y'all, this looks like a big piece of pita bread because my camera is super zoomed in, like all the time. That's my dog in the background. Moving on to the cheese. This cheese got melted on the hot stove.
Even though the oven wasn't on, I don't know why it was hot, but it melted together, so that was a struggle. I also put way too much cheese, so I recommend
I'll finish this with my own. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I just wanted to show you guys something right before we do the pepperoni, but look at this, like the whole cheese melted together because it was sitting on the stove. Okay, now we can do pepperoni. As we're waiting for the oven to preheat so we can put the pizza in the oven. Also put the pizza on a pan. So while we're waiting for that, I'm watching the show called Good Morning Call. It's a Japanese drama, and if you don't speak Japanese, they have subtitles, but they do not have English audio. It's on Netflix, so go check it out. Obviously not sponsored by Netflix. I don't even have that many followers, but see y'all when it's time to put the pizza in the oven. The oven's preheated. It's time to put it in. Oh, it's very hot. Forgot how hot 400 degrees could be.
I guess I was scared, but we're going to put that in there.
Now we wait. I'm gonna go watch more of that. I'm gonna put that in there for 5 minutes, and if your oven doesn't go that hot,